Well, we're going to try something here, just an experiment. Oh, I've done something like it before, but I'm going to try to put this as a kind of a Halloween scene here that I did quite some time ago. What I'm going to try to do is put some fog on it. I'm trying to fog it, and without actually running it and painting it. If I don't work, I will go back over it slowly. I want to see if I can make fog in it. I read this somewhere. No, I want a little bit heavier. Yeah, especially here. So you got to do it so it doesn't lose streaks. I think that's pretty good. I think that did a pretty good fog job. I never thought it might work, but it did. Uh, you could maybe do a little. This was a graveyard. I probably could have just fogged this and left it a little brighter up in there. Or I could even wipe a little bit off on the building around here, around the lights here, make them a little brighter. So you can do a little bit there. Yeah, that's a little bit right there. And just like around more fog around it. So yeah, there's quite a few things you can do there. That's I like that. I like that. Got a little fog around it. Not so bright. Ooh, is that weary, huh? I love it. Well, it worked.